Hello guys, in this video we will see what is unable to connect to online services in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding the unable to connect error content. The unable to connect to online services error in Call of Duty Warzone indicates that your game client cannot establish a stable and authorized connection with Activision's dedicated online servers. This can stem from various sources, including local internet issues, problems with the game's servers themselves, network configuration, conflicts on your device, or corrupted game files that prevent proper authentication and data exchange required for online play. It essentially signifies a communication breakdown between your game and the back-end infrastructure that hosts Warzone's multiplayer experience. Step to verify your internet connection and router content. Begin by confirming your internet connection is active and stable. Test other online applications or websites to rule out a general internet outage. If other services are affected, power cycle your router and modem. Unplug both devices from their power source for at least seconds. Then plug the modem back in, wait for it to fully boot, and finally plug in the router. This process refreshes your network connection, clears temporary glitches, and can resolve the conflicts or minor connectivity issues that might be blocking Warzone's access. Step: check game servers and files. Content server-side issues are a common cause for connection errors. Check the official Activision support social media accounts, Twitter, or their dedicated server status page to see if Warzone servers are experiencing outages, maintenance, or high traffic. If servers are confirmed to be operational, proceed to verify the integrity of your game files on Battle.net. Select Warzone and click Options, Scan and Repair on Steam. Right-click Warzone in your library, go to Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. This process identifies and repairs any corrupted or missing game files that could be hindering your connection. Step: configure network settings and firewalls. Content ensure your network settings are not inadvertently blocking the game for consoles. Verify your NAT type is open or moderate, as a strict NAT type can cause connectivity issues on. Check your Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus firewall software. Add Call of Duty Warzone and its respective launcher Battle.net Steam as exceptions to your firewall settings to ensure they are not being blocked from accessing the internet. Temporarily disabling your firewall can help diagnose if it's the culprit, but remember to re-enable it afterwards. You may also consider port forwarding if advised by Activision support, though this is typically for advanced users.
Step: advanced troubleshooting and reinstallation. Content if the above steps fail, try flushing Jordan's account by opening command prompt as administrator and typing it config flushes, then pressing enter. You might also consider changing Jordan's servers to public ones like Google's and or Cloudflare's and in your network adapter settings. As a last resort, if all else fails and no server issues are present, a complete reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone can resolve deep-seated file corruption or conflicts that are not fixed by the scan and repair function. This ensures a fresh, clean installation of the game client.